Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for May 27th and June 10th. This is for the forecast period May 27th to the 31st. We're looking at right here. And you can see this is what we're expecting. We have a ridge is forecast between Hawaii and the West Coast. It starts to retrograde towards Hawaii more so. And we have a trough in the west, ridge in the east. Now, this flow will feature a large upper trough along with possible embedded closed lows that track across the central states through the end of the week. And this should push a cold front eastward. And we're looking at this. This is the map. So, okay, here's the map. Here's the front. So this is the GFS, the European, the European ensembles. This is the Canadian forecast, and this is the NavGem. They're all showing rain at various intensities as it moves through the east. Now, the trough also pushed a ridge into the eastern states, and this will result in warmer temperatures in the east, currently experiencing some cool temperatures. We have a trough that will push into the northwest by the end of the week and push a ridge into the Mountain West. Okay, and as this trough progresses inland, this will spawn a surface low in the plains by the weekend. Here's our low over the weekend, right? And I talked about there would be a ridge in the east, see right here, bringing warmer temperatures. Okay, we're looking at the period now for June 1st to the 5th. Go back to the map. The pattern now is more clear cut here. We have our this ridge here over the Pacific retrogrades more over to Hawaii. Trough remains in the west, ridge in the east. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for below normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for numbers of 2 to 4 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures forecast for this region, numbers of 4 to 6 degrees above normal for precipitation. Calling for above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence 35%, and we have below normal precipitation for this region. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Now, looking ahead to the period for June 6th to the 10th, there's a little more discrepancy. Let me see. Okay, first to the 5th here, but I want to go back to this period, the 1st to the 5th. As you can see, there's a ridge here, but if you look at the MGO forecast, has it going into phase 8. Also, the European has it going into phase 8. And this will feature a trough in the east, but I don't think that happens till later on. So we'll look at that now. This is for June 6th to the 10th. And you can see that here's GFS, has a very strong upper low dropping south, near to below normal heights across much of the country, above normal heights here across the Arctic. And then we look at its ensembles, still has a little bit of a troughing here, northwest flow, trough in the west. And then here is the European ensembles, and then there's a slight troughing here, even by the NAEFS. So this could very much happen with the MGO going into phase 8. Okay, so for this forecast period, I'm calling for my forecast doesn't show it, below normal temperatures here. And I'm calling for anomalies for 6 degrees below normal, above normal temperatures forecast here. And the probability anomalies could be greater than 8 degrees above normal, especially here. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for half of the country, and the probability occurrence is 40%. Now we're going to take a look at the hurricane season that's about to occur. And let me see if I have the map up. Okay, here's the climatology for where tropical storms, tropical systems, put it that way, have formed. And this is between 1851 and 2015. And this area that we're looking for is based across this area. And then if we look at the beginning of June, oops, this is where we're forecasting. This is where climatologically, where storms have developed in the past. Okay, now we have La Nina still continuing across the air, going in its 3rd year, and this will have an impact on the hurricane season. And when we have a La Nina, it causes a low wind shear here across the area, so storms could develop, thunderstorms could rise and intensify across the Atlantic basin. Okay, so that's it for now. That's the long range weather forecast discussion from May 27th through June 10th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.